What is an SSL certificate? An SSL certificate, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer Certificate, is a digital certificate that provides secure, encrypted communication between a web server and a web browser. It ensures that the data transmitted between the server and the browser remains private and cannot be intercepted or tampered with by unauthorized parties. SSL certificates are primarily used to secure online transactions, sensitive information, and protect user privacy. When a website has an SSL certificate installed, it enables the use of HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, instead of the unsecured HTTP protocol. HTTPS encrypts the data exchanged between the browser and the server, preventing eavesdropping and data theft. An SSL certificate contains information about the certificate holder, such as the domain name and organization details, the certificate's validity period, and a digital signature issued by a trusted certificate authority, CA. The digital signature verifies the authenticity and integrity of the certificate. When a user accesses a website secured with an SSL certificate, their browser performs a series of checks to ensure the validity and trustworthiness of the certificate. If the certificate is valid and trusted, the browser displays a padlock icon or a green address bar, indicating a secure connection. Obtaining an SSL certificate involves a validation process where the certificate authority verifies the domain ownership and authenticity of the requesting organization or individual. SSL certificates can be obtained from various trusted certificate authorities, both free and paid, depending on the level of validation and features required. In summary, an SSL certificate is a digital certificate that enables secure, encrypted communication between a web server and a browser, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the internet. To obtain an SSL certificate, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Choose a certificate authority. There are many different certificate authorities, available, so it is important to choose one that is reputable and trustworthy. Some popular include Comodo, GoDaddy, and Let's Encrypt. 2. Determine the type of certificate you need. There are three main types of SSL certificates: DV, OB, and EV. DV certificates are the most basic and only verify the domain name. OB certificates verify the domain name and the organization that owns it. EV certificates are the most secure and verify the domain name, the organization that owns it, and the organization's physical address. 3. Generate a CSR. A CSR is a certificate signing request. It is a file that contains information about your website, such as your domain name and your organization's contact information. You can generate a CSR using a variety of tools, including the OpenSSL command line tool or a web-based CSR generator. 4. Submit your CSR to the CA. Once you have generated your CSR, you will need to submit it to the CA. The CA will verify the information in your CSR and then issue you an SSL certificate. 5. Install your SSL certificate. Once you have received your SSL certificate, you will need to install it on your web server. The process for installing an SSL certificate will vary depending on your web server software. Once you have installed your SSL certificate, your website will be secured with HTTPS. This means that all traffic between your website and visitors' browsers will be encrypted. This helps to protect your visitors' data and also helps to improve your website SEO ranking. Here are some additional tips. For obtaining an SSL certificate, make sure that the CA you choose is reputable and trustworthy. There are many out there, so it is important to do your research before choosing one. Choose the right type of certificate for your needs. If you are just starting out, a DV certificate may be sufficient. However, if you have an e-commerce website or a website that collects sensitive information, you may need an OB or EV certificate. Generate your CSR using a secure method. When generating your CSR, make sure that you are using a secure method, such as a password-protected file or a secure website. Install your SSL certificate correctly. The process for installing an SSL certificate will vary depending on your web server software. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any problems. By following these steps, you can easily obtain an SSL certificate for your website and help to protect your visitors' data.